to get money in Jujutsu shenanigans. You might be thinking it's like roulette or something. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, but like sometimes you're not good at roulette or something. You could just go here to achievements and do daily quest or weekly. And that gives you like $10 per one quest, so you could get a lot of money. Yeah, both of these roulette and the daily quests or missions could give you money, so these are the best without getting skills. As the quest requires skills, then roulette is better off without getting kills. But there are some game modes in roulette that like make you kill, so both of them are good. But missions give you like $10 per quest mission. But thanks for watching. Bye.